Hey guys, what's up? All right. It's Double Deuce back with an update on the 80 Z28. You see he's tilted the other way. I got the doors on it. Door skins are all done. I did the hood today. Got it in primer. I got the fenders fitted and put in primer so I can block them out. There's a lot of parts on this car. Now you can see I got the dash redone. It's the color camel tan is the color, and you can see on the upper half of the cowl, like over in this area here, it's kind of a semi-gloss black, and this is camel tan. So you just, at the factory, they painted these first, masked them off, and then painted the car the color it should be. So, but did that there, and I did the one on the rear. So you just mask these off with some tape, paint your car the body color, unmask them, and you're ready to go. So a lot of little pieces on this thing. There's the hood scoop, there's the rear spoiler, there's some parts down there I gotta try to figure out. My night brow, that was my original rear spoiler on this thing. When I first got the car, me and my buddies all thought it would be a great idea because we were listening to AC/DC one night. And here's all my spoilers. A lot of stuff that gets painted on this thing. So, but for now, the body's ready to paint. I got to get my front and rear bumper together, and scoops for the fenders. So. And like I say, this thing was it was a labor of love, I guess. It's not worth a whole lot of money, but it's just more of it was my first car, my first new car, I should say. And when I got the thing, I was younger. I voided the warranty on it right away because of I popped the engine in it, so I put a 70 Corvette LT1 engine in the thing. Because I used to street race it all the time, and that basically voided my warranty on the car. But I wasn't scared. I didn't care because, I could fix basically whatever happened to it. So, but a funny story. Me and my father, we got fired over this car too. The dealer had he wanted to put 3 Z28s in their showroom, and like you couldn't find a black one, and you couldn't find a 4-speed one. But at the same time, the guy was kind of a stickler. He was making, so my father was the body shop manager, so he was making the managers buy their demos instead of leasing them. So my dad said, you know what, we'll just pick the Z28. So that's how we did it, because I just come walking back to the office, and I was on a 7-month waiting list for a 4-speed, and couldn't get one. So this was there. It was an automatic. It served two purposes. It got me the Camaro, and he got his little dig with the owner, which was kind of funny. But then, like I say, the owner made it miserable for us and fired us. So that was the second dealership me and him got fired from. The first dealership, the boss's girlfriend was playing around on them, and we didn't really realize what was going on. But there, if we wanted a used car, we would just go and to the front office, sign for it, and grab the keys, and we'd put it on our account. So, and at that time there was a lot of cool muscle cars getting traded in. So, they were cheap. You could buy them anywhere from $150 to $500. But anyways, we walked into the office to grab the keys, and there was a boss's girlfriend having sex with the accountant right on the counter. So needless to say, we were fired that Monday morning when we walked in there. And it was funny. Like, it wasn't even our fault. We was just trying to grab something to play around with, and wrong place at the wrong time, I guess. So, but anyway, like I say, this is an update on the video. Still haven't figured out what engine I'm going to do for it yet. I got to do the front subframe and rebuild all that, and then I have to take the the rear end and checked. That was pretty much brand new, because I had just rebuilt that rear end with a 373 positive traction in it. So, but you know, like I say, it's a little here, a little there. As you can see, the doors are all locked and fitted. I'm waiting for a couple of pieces to come. You know, just like the interior. You know, so I'm going to paint everything black and let the overspray go in just like it did when it was new. And my 4-speed hole, I had to get a used tunnel right there for that, because I you know, at the time I didn't realize they were reproducing them, but so I got to work with that and try to get a boot on it. But anyways, like I say, like, share, subscribe. Any questions, comments, hit me up. You know, it's they say these are a labor of love. Like, every little hole, you can see there's a part that goes in them, and so I will redo each and every stop, you know, shim, bushing, windshield wiper, you know, transmission and all that stuff, and bead blast it and detail it. So when I put it all together, it'll look like brand new. So some things will be used, some things will be new. But anyway, so I'm gonna go grab a shower because I am pooped. So you guys have a good one, and I got a new upcoming video with some RC things that I picked up that I wanted to share with you guys. So that'll be probably my next upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. And you guys have a good weekend, man. I'll catch you later. Adios.